No prosecution, no nothing, just wants it to move along.
But we can't make it. Well, I guess you can't park here. Well, you can park here. Hello, sir. It's Officer Smith with Renton PD. Hey.
What?
It's Officer Smith with Renton
What?
PD. Hey, don't yell at me.
What?
What are you yelling at me for?
Because what do you got a flashlight in my face for? I haven't done nothing.
No. All right, sir. So we're gonna have to have you move this.
I can't hear you.
Okay, we'll lift the tarp back up. Sir, we're not gonna go anywhere, so I can have you just move your vehicle somewhere else would be great.
Excuse me?
Yeah.
You need to move, you're in a no parking zone.
I'm not in the no parking zone. That sign does not quote a law.
Sir.
It needs to be a quoted law within that sign, and there's not. That's an animated picture.
You can just move anywhere, but you have to
I
move.
know I can.
Okay.
Okay?
So go ahead, do that. I don't know why you want to be hostile about it.
Supervisor, please.
Okay, go ahead and move your car somewhere else.
Please get me a supervisor.
The pastor of the church
Please
is
get me a
uncomfortable.
supervisor. I want a supervisor here, please. You guys fuck with me way too often.
Well,
But I'm not fucking with nobody.
Well, we were called here. We didn't
Well,
stop
so
to
what?
contact you.
So what?
We have to respond to 911
Okay,
calls.
I understand that, but I'm not doing nothing wrong.
Just go park across the street and
No,
we'll get out of
dude.
here.
Okay.
That's it. Alright?
No, dude, I can't park over there either, someone will say.
Alright, well, we'll give you 15 minutes to move. We're going to swing back
Or you're
around.
gonna what?
Or else we're going to tow the car.
Oh, you're gonna take my home, huh? You know you can't do that, right?
Hey, this is Renton. This isn't Seattle.
It doesn't matter. Seattle it's a universal deal, dude.
Stop!
You can't take somebody's
Roll
home.
up and move your car. Just
No.
roll up. You're being very childish.
Get me a supervisor.
So go
You're
ahead
damn
and
right
move
I
your
am.
car.
This is a public road and I'm parked on it.
Yeah. All right, so 15 minutes, my friend.
Bye.
Have a wonderful night.
On this side of the road.
Is there
Almost same exact interaction.
What? Man. Okay. I'll look up to see if there's